What is Python, and why should you learn it today? Python is a high-level, interpreted, general-purpose programming language known for its simplicity and readability. Its clear, English-like syntax means you can write less code to achieve more. Python is interpreted, executing code line by line without a separate compilation step. A vast ecosystem of libraries and frameworks makes Python incredibly powerful and versatile. Let's see Python's simplicity with a quick example of a calculation and variable assignment. Its beginner-friendliness, extensive standard library, and vast community support make it an excellent choice. Python's versatility makes it indispensable across numerous industries and applications. Imagine automating repetitive tasks that used to take hours. Python makes that possible. Python's power, versatility, and ease of learning make it an excellent choice to start or advance your programming journey.